So now we are pretty much ready to publish our website, but before we do that, we want to connect our custom branded domain. So to do that, let's click on Connect Domain here at the top. Then type in the domain name you want to use. Now in my case, the .com domain is already taken, so I'm going to choose one of the other ones right here. I'm going to go with the .net, but if you can, always try to go with the .com domain. Once you have your domain, let's click on Next. And then here, just enter your contact information to register your new domain. And once that's done, your domain will be automatically connected to your new website. Let's go back to the Hostinger website builder. And up here, we can see that our domain is now connected to this website, which means that we are finally ready to publish this website. And to do that, all we have to do is click on Go Live up here in the top right corner. Congratulations, your new website is now live. And we can click on View Site, which will take us to our new website.